Candidate number 9. What does the word what does the word loyal mean to you? What does the word loyal mean to you?
Loyal means to me is being faithful. That's all. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you very
candidate number 9. Next, candidate number 10.
Here's your question, candidate number 10. What are some things you did to prepare for this pageant?
Practice, rehearsals, and of course, I never forget to pray. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 10.
Yes, candidate number 11.
Pick a question. Here's your question. Who is your role model and why?
Thank you for that very well said question, sir. First of all, I would like to say good afternoon to all of you. For me, my role model is my mother. Because my mother gives us all, not just all what we want or not just all what we need. She gives us all the encouragement and support. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11.
Next, candidate number 12. Palakpakan natin sila, ladies and gentlemen.
Pick a question. And your question is, what are three words that describe your pet? What are three words that describe your pet?
First, humble. Second, helpful. And third, kind. For example, for the helpful is for for helping for the other people. That's all.
Thank you very much, candidate number 12.
Next, candidate number 13.
Here's your question. What can we do to stop gang violence? What can we do to stop gang violence?
Ang magagawa lang natin sa gang violence, ibalik natin ang curfew para mapanatiling ligtas ng ating pamayanan. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number
Next,
13.
candidate number 14.
Here's your question, Miss candidate number 14. What do you want to gain by participating in beauty pageants? Why? What do you want to gain by participating in beauty pageants and why?
Magiging confident. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 14.
And now, let's proceed with the gentleman, Sir Marky.